Hello everybody, welcome back one more time to Lion Bull Academy. Today we continue our journey in the strategies that we have here in the channel. And we prepare a new strategy that I use sometimes, not very often, but I was want to share with you like this. You can practice in alone in a demo account, or you can start in a real account and looking if this strategy is good for you or no. This strategy is exclusive for forex market and working the best in Euro USD. Okay, so let's start with the strategy. First of all, I recommend always to go in the webpage of Finviz in the section forex and check which currency it's more stronger and which one is more weak. Like this, you always gonna try to trade the more stronger against the more weak. Like this is more easy that you get a good trend. So now that we're talking about that, let's start with the strategy. This strategy working in a 1 hour time frame like the others is used to moving average, one SMMA, one smoothed moving average, something like that pronounced. And the second one will be the moving average exponential, the exponential moving average. That's the only two indicators you will need in this strategy. But now I'll explain you in a moment how it's working. First of all, we click here in investing.com charts, click writing SMA, and it's writing smoothed moving average. That's the first one we need it. The second one will be the EMA, the moving average exponential moving average. We click in that one, and then we have both. We configure the SMMA, the smoothed moving average, in the length of 28, it means 28 periods, and the color green, and click OK. Then we take the exponential moving average, the EMA, we put the length, the period in 100, and put the color red one. And we are ready to go. So how is working this strategy? It's very simple. When the price, listen me good, not the moving average, the price close above or below the moving average red one is as trigger for entering the market. Example, if we want to go in a buy opportunity, we need to wait that the price close above the moving average red one, the red line, and when close above, the next candle will be as trigger, as enter to the market. And then we need to put a stop loss and take profit. So let's now explain about that, how it's working first in a buy opportunity, and then we're looking for a sell opportunity. So in the buy opportunity, let's put as buy order, and we click here. You see the green candle close above the red line. In the next candle, we enter in the market, we put a stop loss in a example here. This zone will be okay. You can also choose to put like 3 candles or 4 candles below the enter. That's up to you. Normally here is very good to find out the best stop loss positions, and then you risk 1 for win 3 times the amount of risk you make. For example, if you was risking $50, the profit have to be 150. Okay, you put it. Perfect. Now I want to explain you when to close the operation. So in this case, particularly, normally we close when arrive to the target of 3. This means 3 times the risk. But we have the green moving average, this one that is SMMA moving average, the 28 period, that when the price, now in a buy opportunity, the price close below the green moving average, we close the position. Doesn't matter we are in profit or in losses. That's as stop loss, dynamic stop loss. Okay, that's how we do it. Can be profit or losses. In this case, will be a small profit. Like this, how it works. Let's now find out other operation. Here we can see the price close below the red moving average, this red line. When close in the next candle, we enter in the market. We put a stop loss. In this case, I put here because it's enough big one this candle for put a stop loss, or you can even choose to put a little bit more big one. That's up to you. But I choose here. I see it's enough pips for stop loss by the movement that have the market in that day. Then we put this take profit 3 times the stop loss, and in this situation the profit going good, perfect. Then we see one more opportunity in the market. The price grow above the red moving average. We are gaining a buy. We put a as enter and a stop loss. I was put around here. It's a place of conglomeration where the price stop many times. So here is a good place to put a stop loss. But how I say you, when the price broke below the green moving average, because we are in a sell, then we close the operation and we lose only this part of the of what we're risking. The reward will be 3. Sorry, I wasn't showing right. There. Like this, you have the risk reward. Then we wait in the next candle. We again put as operation and we close with a little bit of profit because the candle closed here. When is the next sell? This was a buy. Go wrong. Here we put a sell. You can see the price closed below the red one. We put one more time sell. We close around here. I in this video show you some operation for you can understand yourself how is working the strategy, because it's really not so easy to explain when the market is already closed. It's better to show in a movement market, but not we don't have still I don't have it enough good internet for show you this movement in live, but I will do it very soon. Here you can see one also who go wrong, one more who go in break even directly. This is a break even operation. Then we have here very choppy market. When you have already one who close with a little bit profit and two, one in lose and one in break even, I recommend you to stop. Then what you do it here, you stop in and you wait that the market give us one good operation. We don't enter in the market till one good operation happen alone. This is one operation who going perfect, but we was not entering this operation. We enter after this one. Why? In the next signal. Because like this we are sure that we are out of the lateral market. We sacrifice one good operation for be sure that we are out of a lateral market. Here we have again one downtrend operation. You can see we get a little bit of profit, so 1-1 approximately. Here we have one more operation. I recommend you to make pause in the video and looking good the as enter, as stop loss, and as take profit, like you can understand better the operation. One more who going wrong, one more who will get just a little of profit, one who going wrong, and we lose a little, not complete the stop loss, just a little, one more going wrong, and then the next one going good. If this one was going also wrong, I will stop and waiting for a trend, but here the trend was already enough, good one. Here we have one who closed in break even. Here we have two operations consecutive in profits. Then we have here one who you guess a little bit. Normally you always will get a 3-1, but sometimes you get a small profit or a small losses. But very rarely you will get a complete stop loss trigger, and more often you will get a complete take profit get. So I think you can see here in this operation that the strategy is not so simple to follow, just because you need to know very good where to put your stop loss and how to see a lateral market. But by practicing you will get a very good result, because this strategy is a 1-3 risk reward. This means 1 risk, 3 win. That means if you need to make at least 3 wrong, and just with 1 good one you restore your account immediately. So it's really rarely that you make 3 or 4 operations wrong, because normally after 3 operations you already understand that the market is in lateral, and you will stop trade and waiting the next beginning of the next trend, or of upside or downside. So that was everything for this strategy. If you understand it, just comment me down below. If you don't understand something, if you understand, comment me also, and maybe explain me what are your thoughts about this strategy, or if you already trying demo, what's doing to you, if you get good profits. I really very interested to know how use other people this strategy. For me, it's very interesting. If you don't understand it, yes, also comment me down below. I will be very happy to make one video more for explaining one more time. Maybe we will be lucky and make one in live very soon, or maybe I will record one live at home and then send to everybody in the high speed like this. You can see how it's moving how to use the strategy in a moving market. And if you want to see more strategies, indicators, the strategy is explained step by step, more about trading, finance, courses, and everything for free, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? So I hope you like it. Remember to click the like button and see you next time, guys.